I'm back out on a bike camp. It's been 2 years since I last done a bike camp, so I think it was overdue. It's a lovely warm day today, but I am going to be heading towards those distant hills, as you can see them over there. A couple of days off, weather's glorious, so I'm out on the bike, stretch the legs. Afternoon. Long. Hey, that's the bottle empty. That stream back there was a bit manky, so the next water course I'll be stopping. Need fluid. Get your head stuck with that thing. Yeah, feeling a bit parched now. I'm on just shy of 20 miles, so hopefully in the next couple of miles I'll find a water source. Not far down in that valley there, there's water. I know that was a stream you cross over a bridge, so probably about another half a mile. Just stopped, just taking the views. So yeah, couldn't have picked a better day really. Glorious. But I still need water. Stream down here. Christ, not much of a stream. Alright, so we've got a big drop into Bewcastle. Got a bigger drop, bigger rise out. Drop in, rise out. We had the lovely Bewcastle Church and the Bewcastle Cross, minus its head. There you've got Bew Castle, or is it Bewcastle Castle? I never know. Newcastle. So that is the hill I've got to trudge up next. Let's get on with it. Oh, beautiful breeze. I just thought there's a bit of a breeze where I'm camping. Oh, some of these hills are brutal. I'm in the granny gear, about 6 miles an hour, with all this weight on. I can see the top of the hill, a welcome sight. Right, we've made it downwards. There's a few of them midgy things flying about. Right, I've been shifting it and moving it about, trying to find a spot. This one's still lumpy and bumpy, but it's probably best of the lumpy and bumpies. But alright, all set up. I'm trying to keep this closed, so I've just got my thermarest and my lightweight rab sleeping bag. But as you can see, there is midges about. So I'm going to keep this shut. So that you can see it, but yeah, you can't see. But that tree, there's millions of them around it, and I'm probably their tea. So I want to get some tea on myself. Alright, just a simple tea tonight. I've just got some Thai green curry noodles and something to eat, custard, and I've got various other snackage in here, coffees and biscuits and hot chocolate, soup. But yeah, beautiful view right down towards the lakes. I'm just hoping there's going to be a little breeze to keep these little pesky midges away. At the moment it's not too bad, but I reckon as night falls, so will the midges all over me. It's nice and cool now. Cheers. Put my long trousers on because there's quite a few nettles around here and I've been stung a few times. Couldn't stand it any longer. I'm glad I brought it with us. Stopped them nipping my face, and that's the only place they're really bothering us. But the wind's dropped right down. Even higher up, the trees are not even blowing, but I'm going to go for a wander, so that should keep them a bay for 5 or 10 minutes. I've come a bit higher, there's a slight breeze, so it's not too bad here, but very slight. Sun's gone behind, so just me and the midges now, and they are fairly active. So I am going to retire for the night. I think it's only about 9:15, 10 to 9. I'm going to get in my tent and stay in there, clean my teeth and everything. Well, I'm trapped. It's going to be very interesting in the morning. Let's hope there's a wind gets up. as the tent is covered. I just hope that mesh is keeping them at bay. There's hundreds of them on the mesh. So a few got in with me, but I've sort of killed most of them. Yeah, it's been a while since I've had a midge fest. It was probably in these woods actually. Oh well. So to sit tight till tomorrow. Or sleep tight. Morning. Yep, the midges are waiting for us. It fairly dipped temperatures last night. The skies have been really clear, so that's probably why it was quite chilly. The bag was probably just down to its limit. But I'm going to have to be quick this morning. I just hope a bit of wind might have come. It's absolutely, you know, flat, calm, dead, no wind. But plenty of midges. Well, it's a beautiful morning. I'll be a bit of midgy. So it's whether I get a brew on or do I get eaten alive. I mean, yeah, they're all above us like, so I think it's a case of getting packed up, getting on the road and having a brew. That's, you know, on top of a hill where there's a bit of a breeze. Right, decision made. I'm packing up and getting out. I'm being eaten alive. It's going to drive us mental. So, they're all over the camera and everything. I'm just going to pack up my stove and that, drop the tent, fire it all in the back of the bags on the bike, hit the road. Yeah, I don't know if this camera's picking them up, but there's millions of them now, so yeah. Oh, keep moving out the way of them. They just seem to follow us. But, got the tent dropped. Just need to fold it away and escape. But oh, they're all over us. Oh, they're eating us alive, the baggers. Oh, heaven. Fresh air blown on the back on the bike. That was a nightmare. Oh God. I've had no teeth, so I want to stop a bit further up. Not for too long. So yeah, the midges spoiled that one. Wee buggers. Right. Homeward bound. Got 10 miles in, probably just have another 10, 12 to get back home. So I'm going to bring this one to a close. Quick overnighter on the bike. Would have been better on the summit, wouldn't I, with no midges. But, thanks for watching. We'll catch you out on the next one.